Hey everyone, my name's Alberti and I love to decorate. Today, I'm gonna show you how to decorate your dining room for Halloween and Harvest. And in this video, we've got lots of really cool tips and tricks. Stay with me, comment below, and don't forget to hit subscribe. I started off with a beautiful black runner, and that was gonna be the base for my Halloween design. Then incorporated beautiful pumpkins. I brought this Cinderella pumpkin in, and I've been seeing a lot of postings about pumpkins with these succulent planters on top. So I used the Cinderella pumpkin, took some Spanish moss, hot glued it down, and just hot glued all of these different faux succulents to the top, and took a bunch of gourds in different colors and shapes and sizes and added them to the tablescape. I nestled in other succulents just to give it some more texture and color and life. And then last but not least, I just filled in all of the blanks with beautiful deer moss, and it really adds this bright pop of green, which I think is really cool for Halloween. One great tip to incorporate when you're creating your tablescape at home is to use elements that lift different pieces of your table so that you can create highs and lows, just like a cityscape. So here, what I did is I used a cake plate to lift my centerpiece. And then of course I found these candle pillars in my home to put my candles on top of them. And I just love the way that it looks. For the place setting, I wanted to do something super special, but sleek and elegant and a little bit of modern. So what I did is I incorporated some chargers that were gold, because you can never have enough gold in my opinion. And then I found these black plates. I used a really cool skull napkin that I found, and I just thought that it was fun and whimsy, and it was gonna be a conversation starter, and black silverware, so I incorporated that into the place setting. I took simple little gourds and I spray painted them with a matte gold spray paint, and I think it just ties the whole look together. It's fun, it's simple, and I think it's a really cute way to invite your guests in for Halloween. So for the sideboard, I wanted to do something that was whimsical, fun, and a little spooky. So it all started when I found these skull candles from Luminara and Martha Stewart. I picked them up in the white and the black, and I couldn't resist putting them on a silver platter. So I surrounded them with this reindeer moss, these really cool spiders, and then to tie in the entire look, I took my other Luminara candles and I just wrapped fabric around them that I found at the craft store. I used double stick tape in the back, and that lace look makes it feel really Halloween. At the end, I just placed some cookies on a cake plate, and now it's a beautiful serving area as well as a focal point. And that's how you incorporate Halloween and Harvest into your own tablescape. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, comment below. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. And don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.